Today new topics, poverty as a challenge. Which is topics? Poverty as a challenge. I have discussed about the what is the poverty. Poverty is the insufficient sources of incomes. They cannot afford this the necessity of the thing that which is pupil, landless labor, shelters, and food clothings. We come across many people who think are poor. They could be the landless, labored village for people living overcrowded, juggies in city. They could be daily wage of worker at the construction site of children work in the dhamaj. These are the very difficult tasks. In this chapter, I have dictating about that what is the poverty. Poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed in these topics. I have discussing about this. They could also beggar within children, debtors, poverty in around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is a poor. That means roughly 270 millions of the pupils India live in the poverty. These are the study case also measured the whole. This illustrate in the seriousness of the challenge. Urban cases. In this topic, the 33 years old Ram Saran worked as a daily wage the wheat flour mill near the Ranchi in Jharkhand. The urban case is that person that 30 years old Ram Saran they can work in daily wages and he got the money only for 15,000. They can find the employment which is not often. The money is not enough to sustain his family of six that including his wife, four children aged between 12 or 6 months. It means you can say these are the urban cases. They can't afford of the human amenities. It is necessary food, clothing, living standard. They can't afford. There are six family members, including of that father which have given to this. He had go to the bank had providing the some loans. They providing. This is a very difficult concept that above cases of poverty are discussed the following issues related to the poverty. Landless, number one, landless, unemployment, landless insufficient sources of income, not a insufficient land requirement provided of the government. These are the landless. Unemployment, the searching of job, they can't afford of this, no providing of the jobs. These are the size of population, size of the family members. The size of family means which are the educated and educated members. Some family are the big family, some are the small. Literacy मतलब these are the uneducated which are mentioning of the 7 0 to 7 years who have can't read or writing. You can say the literate. They can't afford the languages. They can say that literate. Poor health and malnutrition that which are poor health would have provided of the which is the nutrient type of proteins, foods item which are the proteins, vitamins, minerals. These are the nutrition. In this that 2300 calories providing over our here country has only for 2100 calories. These are insufficient sources of the nutrition of the world. Child labor. That child labor it is has creating of the less than 14 years old who have job in requirement the factories, dhabas. These are the government have decided they can avoid of that systems. Now given to that what is the poverty in the The poverty is the lack of the basic human needs such as nutrition, healthcare, education, clothing, shelters because of the inability offered them. Poverty line is the common method used to the measure poverty based on an income or consumption levels. There are rural cases. Urban case is the usually defined in the two ways as a absolute standards based on the minimum amount of the income needed to sustain a healthy and minimally comfortable life, and as a relatives standard that is the set of based on the average this standard living in the nations. These are the urban cases who have sufficient insufficient sources and minimum amount of the income, though they can't afford all the family members. These are the which are the necessary foods, clothes, shelters, it has necessary for the human being. Rural cases. Now, rural cases refer to the poverty in the rural area, including factors of rural societies, rural economy, and political systems that given rise to the poverty found in the there. Rural poverty is the often discussed in the con- conjunctions with the spatial equality, which is the context referred to that inequality to between the urban and rural area. Poverty line defined as the main minimum money required maintaining a per capita income. First of all, you know what is the per capita total number of the family income and divided by the quantity of the families. These are called the per capita. Per capita means the total number of the family sources of income and divided by quantity of families. They can see to the per capita income and rural. Poverty estimates in the advanced economy are based on the calculation to relatives poverty with the average standards of living used as a reference point. Poverty line is the level of the income to meet their minimum living condition. Poverty line is the amount of money needed for person to meet his basic needs. It is defined as the money values of goods and services need to the provide basic welfare to an individuals. These are the poverty. Now you can study about the also the distinct providing of that according to the social exclusions. This concept poverty must be seen the term of poor living to live in the poor surrounding with the poor people excluded from the enjoy social equality to better off people in better surrounding. Social exclusion can be both as a cases as well as the consequence of poverty in the usually sense. Broadly, person through which the individual group are the excluded from facility, benefits and the opportunity that other there and enjoy. The topical example is the working in the caste system. India is which people belonging to the certain caste are exclusive from equal opportunities. Social exclusions thus may lead to but can cause more damage than living in a very low incomes. Now these are the vulnerable poverty measures which are the describe the great probability certain communities say member of the backward caste in individuals such as the widow or physically handicapped person becoming or remaining poor in this coming year. Vulnerability is determined by the option able to different communities for finding an alternative living in the term of accept educations, health, and job opportunity. Further, it analysis of this base of the greater race these groups faced at the time of natural disasters, earthquakes, tsunami, terrorism. Additional analysis is made of their social and economic abilities handle this risk. In this fact, vulnerability described under the great probabilities of being more advisory affected than other people when bad time come from the everybody where as the floods earthquakes or simply as the fall in the ability of the jobs which have given to the vulnerability means the durable. It means you can say which have no any work requirement during these earthquakes, tsunami. These are the better, like not exclusives they can afford, which is we have given to this individually such widow or physically handicapped in the better life they can't afford because nobody cooperatives they can depend fully on others not individually they have become of the vulnerability in the determined option able to different conjunction for finding alternative living in the term assets poverty it has given to the some poverty estimates global scenario that how to maintain they can discuss about it the global poverty scenarios the proportion of the people developing countries